What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick before we head to Tri-City Speedway, I want to recognize our video sponsor, Max Speeding Rods. These guys have actually been a supporter of Fleming Family Racing for a few years, and we've been running their parts. Absolutely love them, and we appreciate everything they do for us. The part that I'm about to showcase for you guys, Travis is actually running in this video in his EG hatch, so you guys be sure to check that out and see how good it works for them. Let's see what they've sent us. So the product they have sent us is this aluminum shifter. This is for a K-Series. You can see how nice the quality of this is. This will fit right in on any application, whether it be RSX, EG hatch, any really street car that accepts a K-Series engine. And so everything is nice and adjustable. You've got multiple different grooves here to where you can go up and down. You can adjust this up and down. Everything is heavy duty and high quality and very, very nice. This product here will actually be going in our SCDRA hatch. And so as we're building that, you guys will see me install this. It also comes with all of the necessary tools to make all the adjustments. So really neat product. It's aluminum, so it doesn't rust or get nasty. Just don't spray paint it. So put this in last because it's really nice and shiny. It even makes it look better. So very, very cool product, and we're excited to have it in our hatch. So there is the product. We really appreciate Max Speeding Rods for making such quality products and for supporting our team. You guys be sure to go check this product out. The link to it is in the description of the video. They have a ton of different options for shifters, VTEC solenoids, rods, and a whole bunch of other parts that y'all can check it out. Their website is also in the description. So again, we appreciate Max Speeding Rods for supporting Fleming Family Racing. Let's head to Tri-City Speedway and see if Travis can get them a win. I want to recognize our video sponsor, Max Speeding Rods. They have, say hi, say, who is this? Bluey? You like Bluey? Yeah? Do a Bluey dance.
All right, it's race day. Heading to Tri-City Speedway. Got my new DM injury law hat on. Someone put you in the wall, call DM law. Heading to Tri-City Speedway. Just got off work, gonna be late, but that's not new news to any of you guys that have watched the channel. Last time we went out, we finished third, and this was the night that the car was just off the wall different for me. So I'm excited to get it a second time now that I kind of have an idea of how this car wants to be driven. I will say, like I said, we still finished third last time, but it felt a little out of control. So hopefully I can wrangle this beast. Apparently, obviously D has this thing figured out. So I'm excited. So hopefully we'll get a nice little car count and have a good night. Like I said, trying to always put a car on the trailer and go home with a running vehicle. And yeah, gonna have fun. I'll get you GoPro set up. I gotta find someone to record from the stands, but I'll see you guys soon at Tri-City Speedway. Tri-City Speedway! That was a little dramatic, but we're here, guys. See you soon. 135 pounds soaking wet with sweat. Got to readjust these belts. I'm not very big either, but this dude, man. I think we'll be good there. Obviously, I got to get my suit top on. I'm going to leave that a little loose. It's a good looking hat. It's a good looking hat. Got to represent tonight. Talking to nobody. I'm here by myself. It's me and you tonight, boys and girls. Just me and you. Look, focus. Focus. You and I, you and me. Me and you. Truck coming. Yeah. All right, race recap. Lost the throttle cable. See you at the feature.
heat. You're just trying to make it feel good. Well, you're at that.
Woo!
He's got his helmet on, he's got the hat on, just like a NASCAR driver.
Yeah.
Put your hands together for Travis Fleming!
In the car. There we go.
Well, you know, you would have made that a lot easier on yourself if you finished the year. You know, it's all that maintenance, right? But Travis, tell you what, it was a fast car tonight, and you had that three white back going into the three. I think you nervous for any split second at all.
Oh, just a second, and kind of straight it up. I'm trying to get used to this car. I had a car last year that I'm here with, and I'm just trying to get used to what it's in the garage. So it was fun. Tonight, I'm going to step forward, right?
Yeah, he'll take that, right? Any sponsors you want to thank?
Yes, 111 Salvage. DMA for your law, actually just got my hacks today. So thank you, DMA for your law. Thank you for your performance. Splash Final, Dr. Ian with the Fleming, and also Tri-City. Tri-City Speedway. Thank you guys so much.
Did you have that hat like stuffed in the car waiting for victory lane?
You got to put it in here.
That's right. Put your hands together for Travis Fleming.
Yeah, please. I would like to give. Man, I gotta get the hang of this car. All right, let's see.
Stay right there.
Right there.
All right, Trev, look up here. Great job, buddy. Well, babe.
Well, got it done. Took home the win. Yeah, I guess race recap. Obviously, there wasn't much to say with the heat, and I was frustrated because the throttle cable just completely came off. So, going out in the feature, there were 5 cars that started the field. 4 ended up starting, so it put me second row. And pretty much I think the second lap, I think I saw that I was a little bit quicker than them, and I just kind of shot up to be in space that they weren't. And then I got a real good run out of 1 and 2, and I was like, okay, so I just dove under both of them at the same time. I do think going into 3-4 that I pushed up the track a little bit and got into there was a Civic Si, I don't remember the number, but I did kind of knock him out of his line just a hair, but that's just because I had to throw it in there kind of hard to kind of, the angle of my turn wasn't great, so just because I went under both of the cars, but we got it done. I still got to figure this car out. Around like lap 5 or 6, going into 3 and 4, the back end just kind of broke around on me, and it feels like I was going to spin out to the inside. And so that's frustrating to be winning a race and like not feel like I completely have the not control of my car, but like it's just not going exactly where I want it to go. And I think that's a little bit of the car, a little bit of my driving style, and I'm trying to kind of mesh the two and figure it out. But as for tonight, we got it done. I'm just stinking, what's the word, clumsy sometimes, because there's so many thoughts going in my head at one time. Sometimes I don't get them all together, but didn't put the car in gear when we got up onto victory lane and almost rolled all the way back. Also, coming to victory lane, the car started just like surge, and it almost felt like the throttle cable was stuck, so maybe I over-tightened it. But yeah, good night. Good night. Felt like my best lap by a lot was lap 3, so I'm gonna go take a look at that, figure out what I did. But hey, what was it? I was talking to someone before the race, Joey, and he was saying something. He said, you can't control who shows up. And tonight, for who showed up, we were the best. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna see what I can find about this revving up. We got it done.